Yep, test driving this customer's car right now. She says she's hearing something rattle in the back. And the car only has 36,000 miles on it, almost 37,000 miles on it. And what is that? I think it's a 2016 or something like that, Toyota. And I'm almost 1,000% sure that it's something rolling in her trunk. So I guess I'm trying to say is, like, if you're hearing something, especially something this new, just see if you can check it out yourself first before you take it to a shop, because a lot of shops will sit there and make some shit up, and you know, you already telling them that you hear noise, and you know, so they just gonna run with that and say, well, yeah, you need brakes or something like that. So, you know, sometimes you might just want to do your little homework yourself if you can, before they throw $1,000 bill at you and say you need this and that when you really don't need it. So, a little bit of advice. Look at that. Perfect. All this shit rolling around. Stuff like that will make you think your car making noise. Gotta clean that shit out.